How to fix YouTube not working on Android. This tutorial covers the most common causes and how to get the app running smoothly again. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device and check if videos are failing to load, buffering endlessly, or crashing outright, since the fix can differ slightly depending on what's happening. From there, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick panel and switch between Wi Fi and mobile data to rule out a connection issue. After that, check if other apps are also struggling to load content, since a weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons YouTube stops working properly. At this point, if the connection isn't the problem, long press the YouTube app icon from your home screen or app drawer and tap App Info. Following this, tap Force Stop to shut down any background processes causing the glitch, then tap OK to confirm. From here, reopen YouTube and see if it loads normally. If the problem continues, go back into App Info, tap Storage, and tap Clear Cache to clear out any corrupted temporary files. At this stage, give YouTube a try again before going any further, since clearing cache alone fixes this in most cases. Following this, if it's still not working, tap Clear Data instead. Keep in mind this will sign you out, so make sure you know your login details before continuing. Make sure to confirm when prompted. Once that's done, open the Play Store, search for YouTube, and install the update if one is available, since an outdated app version is another common cause of playback issues. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, and tap Restart to refresh your device completely. That's how you fix YouTube not working on Android. If this got things running again for you, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.